Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The world should hold the security agents responsible if my people are killed. There is nothing wrong in arresting people. There is nothing wrong in investigation. There is nothing wrong in unraveling the killers or sponsors of this heinous crime. But the issue is, let the innocent people be free. It is enshrined in the Constitution, freedom of movement. I have pictures where the military went to my constituency, Imo, to be precise, destroyed shops owned by Nigerians, owned by my constituents, carted away their goods. What have we done? What crime did we commit? Goodluck and Gulak left Owerri. So if you want to arrest my people, the meaning is that you have to start that arrest from the hotel, from Owerri, where he left. Gentlemen of the press, I can no longer keep quiet. These people elected me to speak for them. Please, I beg, I came out and I condemned the killers of Gulak. He is a true Nigerian. For him to have left his comfort zone to our place, that is exhibiting one nation, one country. Everybody is free to move. But if the police is still investigating, or they say they have killed, and the government has said they have made some arrests, please let them leave my people alone. And then I talked about the Mr. Chigbu, whom the army killed. I have pictures, videos, to even an Okpala operator that was shot. What did we do wrong? That we host the airport, that we are close to the airport, does not make us criminals. We've been keeping quiet. We gave land to the Air Force, to the Nigerian Air Force. We know how that land was taken. My people wanted to make trouble out of it, but we said, no, this is government. As I talk to you up to now, there's no MOU with the owners of the land. They host communities. The other day, they came here with a petition. In the last house, a petition from these people. They host communities of Simon Bako International Cargo Airport. Wrote a petition. The House resolved and mandated all the agencies that are operating in that airport to have an MOU with these people and make sure that they are protected by social responsibility. And make sure that things that belong to them, that ordinarily should go to my people, should go to them. Up to now, nothing has happened. They came up with another petition to remind the House that these agencies has refused to obey the resolutions of the House. We are law-abiding citizens, very peaceful people. I don't know why they should come after us. The other day was the Navy, because we share a boundary. Where the Navy is at the boundary between us and Abia State. Youths were also killed. If they should descend on these so-called, do I call them liberators, or the ESN, these people that are alleged that are killing and destroying government facilities. It is the duty and responsibility of the government to protect lives and properties. But what we cannot take is that you term all of us from that region as criminals. We cannot take that because we are not. If you go to the northeast, they are also killing our military officers and police. Do you not term all of them? I have not, and I cannot also remember of any complaint coming from there to say the military is killing innocent citizens. We know they face these Boko Haram people squarely. Why then is it a different case in my place? It calls for a worry, and I'm concerned. Thank you very much. It is a known fact that the whole place is militarized. The whole place is I don't know how to put it, but you can understand what I'm trying to say. There are military presence everywhere. Well, I don't have a problem with it because their duty is to protect all of us and our property. But the issue is, why then do you kill innocent people? Police is supposed to be your friend, even the military. How do you get information when you begin to kill these innocent people? How do you get information from them? We have the DSS there. For them to move it, it is our people, it is the people in that locality that will help you with information. But when you begin to kill them, you pack them and they never they come back to their families. How do you then solve the problem? Second one. Yes, please. I have pictures. These are shots destroyed by the military. These are shots. The evidence is here.
Stay in one place now.
Goods inside them carted away. What have we done to deserve this? I can tell you they are. See, I will tell you all the communities around there. The Nyobuku, the Logara people, the Omawa people, the Obiang and Rumoyagu. These 5 or 6 communities cannot sleep in their houses. It's a very serious situation. And how long can this continue to happen? The ESL or the IPOC who killed Gulak has been killed. Some days after that, the governor addressed Imo people and said it is a politically motivated killing. These two cannot go. But what we are saying is, you cannot attack my people because he was on his way to catch up his flight back to Abuja. It's the crime that will host the airport. If you have killed the people, why are you after my people, innocent people? If you said it's politically motivated, are we part of it? These are the questions I'm asking. We can't sleep.
Lizzie.
I don't know anything about the killings. I don't know anything about the killings. But if they have come out to say most of these people are foreigners, what I'm asking for is just one simple thing. Give them freedom to happily live with their families. And then the one and the people killed, give them justice. We demand justice from the authorities.
Sir, it's been like a spiral of silence coming from the east since the PSM went to reduce burning government properties and what have you. Now the president came out to make a statement, and everybody seems to be angry with the president. The leaders of the east, they refuse to condemn the attack being perpetrated by this ESN against government properties. Now you are coming to raise alarm as to the army now allegedly be responsible for killing your people. And also, I want to also mention the name of the person that was allegedly killed by you.
When you said nobody, no leader, I disagree with you. Nobody will applaud for such criminal acts. We came here by election. People elected us. So those government facilities like the INEC offices you are burning, the police stations you are burning, when you destroy police stations, which people will protect us? We have been condemning it. But the issue is, go after the criminals. There's this judicial declaration that says it is even better to free 100 criminals than to do what? Than to kill an innocent person. It is better to free 100 criminals. Why are you not killing the innocent people? Go after the criminals.
The name of the person.
Yes.
I think a text of the press briefing will be forwarded to us.
Noel, for record purposes, Noel Chigbu Nzeribe is just one of them. We'll give you, yes, we'll give you the names of other people. This one died in Owerri. He was on his way going back home after the close of business. The army shot him, took him to the police. Police took him to the mortuary. And there is a petition being forwarded. We are waiting, and we have given them 14 days. If you don't act on it, then we will bring it to the National Assembly, where everything will be exposed. We can't do more than that. Thank you.
Thank you for your time.